So guys, for the first method, you want to disable both the antivirus and the Windows Defender firewall before you run the media creation tool. After you run it, then you want to enable them again. So for the firewall, you want to go to search and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. On the left hand side, you want to select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And then you just want to turn it off. And then click on OK. Now for Windows Defender Antivirus, you want to go to search and type in Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it. And then click on Manage Settings. And then turn off Real-Time Protection. And then click on Yes. After you turn off both of these, you can now try to run the media creation tool. Once that's been done, just turn back on your Virus and Threat Protection. And then turn back on the firewall. Hopefully that will work for you. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to copy and paste the commands which will be down below in the description. Just highlight all of this, do Ctrl-C to copy it, come to CMD and then do Ctrl-V to paste it. It should now start running automatically. Just wait for this. It might be saying net start msiserver and it's not running, so if it looks like this, then click on enter on your keyboard. It will now run that. Now once you do all of that, see if that works for you. Some more things that you can try using a different USB drive, or you can free up space on your current USB drive, see if that works. If you're using Wi-Fi, try using a wired internet connection instead. And you could also re-download the media creation tool in case if it's corrupted.